their...
Welcome, my little blue friend. The blueberries are ready for us. Chirp, 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 tweet. Thank you, Fairy May.
Look, Bluebird, see the berries glow?
Tweet, tweet.
Blueberries are sweet, the perfect treat in this garden so neat. Tiny blueberries, oh so round, the ripest ones can be found.
Look at the pretty berry, Bluebird. Chirp, chirp, chirpy. Berries are yummy. Thank you, friend.
I found the sweetest blue treats.
Wow! Check out these magical blueberries.
They're perfect, Mixie.
Let's try them together. It's like a dream come true. Welcome, Mixie, to our blueberry land.
Hey there, Fairy May. Thanks for the welcome hand.
Time for a blend, a magical treat.
Oh, Mixie, yes, let's take a beat. Ready to explore the blue, Huey?
Time for a treat, little Mixie.
Berries!
Yum, yum, yum.
Berries so blue, a treat for me and you. Dropping them in.
Time for a treat, right into the pot. Thanks, little friend. This is quite the lot. Time to get blending. Watch this.
Oh, you're gonna do great! I am Fairy May, dance with me and play.
Beep bop.
In this blueberry garden, let's Blueberry garden, all around. Blue magic filling the ground.
Flying high, spinning bright. Blend the magic, feel the light. In the garden, blue and sweet.
Blueberries are shiny and round, the best fruit to be found. They glow in the garden. I'm Mixie, and my blend is bright and new. It's a land of berries and the color blue. A fairy tale blueberry garden, overflowing with soothing shades of blue. I found my home with you. It's safe and fun and blue. We'll sing a song. Blueberries are sparkling,
A magical sweet treat.
let's explore the garden. Come explore with me, a world so blue, magical berries and adventure. Together we shine bright. Do-do-da.
Time for a treat, you'll see. A blueberry blend for you and me.
I need my world's waiting for you. Mixie's here, blue mist so bright. Blueberries glow, filling us with light.
Time to make a treat for you. Wow! It's a blueberry hue.
Oh, Mixie, you're a wonder to behold. With blue milkshakes, a story untold. Flying high above the blue sweet treat. Soaring round this garden neat.
Thank you, kind Mixie, my best friend Blue,
To share this yummy treat with me and you.
taste it, little friend. It's very sweet and blue.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Oh, magical and new.
Taste it, Fairy May. It's the best. Oh, Bluebird, that looks amazing.
I take a sip, it's cool and blue. Delicious flavors, fresh and new.
Blueberries are sweet and grand. This milkshake is the best in the land. I'm Mixie the blender, and I'm ready for fun. With my shiny silver base and my work to be done, I'll make you a treat that's... Mixie,
Are you all right? Something looks wrong.
I flutter back, I keep my space. I shake and spin with a happy face. Blueberries glow in this... Look, my light is starting to shine.
Oh, wow.
It's glowing so brightly, Mixie. I'm Mixie, and my light can sparkle so bright.
Wow, Fairy May.
That's such a
Oh,
fun.
wow! Glowing and swirling, what colors you show. Tiny little berries, open up, time to shine.
Wow, it's so warm
Oh,
and
wow!
bright. Back inside, sweet dreams.
Blueberries glowing, light bubbles flowing, a magic.
Look at the light. Oh, Mixie. Mixie's Blender World, a blueberry wonderland.